today's society, we all like highlights. Me, myself, I watch ESPN and watch the highlights and enjoy watching the top 10 in the web gyms. Jury's no different. They want to see the highlights. And in doing a video animation, really what we're doing is highlighting your case, either the injury or how the injury occurred. This is important because it's very effective. It keeps the jury's attention, and it's short and concise, and shows things that maybe take 3 to 4 different people testifying in 2 hours to get into evidence. Obviously, we do those things in trial to show and to lay the foundation where we can show the highlight. But the highlight puts it all together and really shows the jury in short, concise time in an effective method, which they get all the time through TV and video, of how or why or what the effects of your injury were. We had a case that an individual pulled onto a railroad track and there was clear visibility for 4 to 5 miles in each direction and was hit by a train while sitting on the track. At first glance, many attorneys would think, and many people would think, well, it's the person's fault that's sitting on the track. That's why a video animation was needed in the case. After getting the event recorder for the train, taking a total station out and digitally recreating the surroundings from the ground up, you could see that the individual came onto the track, and as he was coming onto the track, another truck backed up and blocked his path from going forward. He'd just gotten off of a busy highway behind and had a 53-foot trailer cotton module on the back of his truck, and for that reason couldn't back up, and he couldn't go forward because the truck was blocking his way. The truck didn't go forward and block his path until he was on there. And the individual who's driving the truck gets out and runs out in front and starts waving his arms. And for that reason, when an individual would see that, they knew that the person that pulled the truck up and got out didn't do the right thing and was at least partly responsible for this person's death. And I think it's important to be able to show people why your loved one's hurt, injured, or killed.